Okay, so today for this video, we're gonna go in my closet and we're gonna declutter some stuff. And I'm really gonna try to get rid of stuff because you guys will see I like clothes and I like to keep clothes. So there was a lot of really good stuff when we bought this house a few years ago. One of the only things that wasn't that great was the master closet is shared. My husband and I both share the closet. So that's a little bit of a pain. I mean, it's a pretty nice size closet, but we do share it. So my stuff is all, I take a lot of the closet, but my stuff is all on this side, up against the back wall, and then all down here and a little bit on the back wall, and then he has just this side. So basically he has this side and I have almost everything else. So I guess we're gonna start with the shirts. This is so hard. Okay, so oh God. See, the problem is I can hardly even move this thing. You know what I want to do is be able to like put shirts in here and for it to like flow, you know, but I don't have. So here in the front we have this little vest. This is cute. I like this like just to throw over something. I bought this on sale at Nordstrom Rack, and it's like a little vest, but every time I wear it I think I look like a waiter, so I think we're gonna part ways with it. Because every time I put it on I'm like, do I look like a waiter today? So I think it's fine. Goodbye. And this shirt here, I think, doesn't this have a hole in it? Yeah, look, this shirt here has holes in it. I should probably get rid of that. Even though it's super comfortable, but I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay. So then we have this one here. This is just like a little shirt that you can like put over. I'm gonna keep this because you never know when you need to put like these kind of like coveralls. I have a few different colors of them. Here's the gray one, and then I have this. Is this even in? So let's start with the shirts. Okay, so I like this shirt. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, this one here, I tend to never wear. This is from Banana Republic. It's so pretty though. Look how cute. This shirt still has a tag on it, but I'm gonna keep it because I do like the way it looks. This one I really like, so I'm gonna keep this. Right. This one I think I can get rid of from Ann Taylor because I really don't wear it and it's a little bit tight, so I think I have two of this. The only thing is these buttons are like kind of far away from each other and they kind of are a pain, but I'm gonna keep it because it's comfortable. Such a cool shirt. Isn't that pretty? Love this shirt. Keeping that. Okay. This one I think I'm gonna part ways with because it's a cool shirt because it's like the leatherette type of deal, but it looks so weird when you put it on because it kind of like just stays flat, you know? So, do I even wear this? I don't think I've ever worn this. I'm gonna get rid of this shirt. I don't wear this. This one is really cute. I don't hardly ever wear this because look how short it is, and I don't wear like crop tops, but I'll keep it just in case I have like really high-waisted pants. It's a cool like cute little shirt. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I really love whites and beiges, so you're gonna see a lot of white and beige in this closet. I think I can part ways with this shirt from American Eagle. It's really cute, but I think I bought a new one. Okay, so this is like one of those really big oversized shirts that used to be in, and now I just kind of look like a balloon in them, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This shirt just didn't wear very good. Like you can kind of see like, do you see like the material kind of flaky? I don't know, I think it kind of looks old. This is such a cool shirt. So I just finished getting this not that long ago at Banana Republic and I really, really like it. I don't wear it that often, but it's really pretty, so I'm keeping it. Okay, this is one of my casual shirts that I love to wear, but I'm gonna put it in my casual section. So here, okay, so this is, this is the shirt that I think can replace the American Eagle one. See, I got this one, then I also have this one. So, and I don't really wear this often. I have to try both of these on to see if I like one more than the other. I got this at Sada not that long ago and I really love it because I love these little pearls. They're so cute. So I'm keeping that. You know, you find things and you're like, I'm never going to wear that, but you're like, maybe I should just keep it because I think I might wear it. That's how I feel right now. These are both really pretty. They're stuck together. Ah. Got this shirt that I love, and then I also have this, which I love too. I'll keep them both. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of. I have to get rid of stuff. I bought this for New Year's, and I haven't really worn it, but maybe I should keep it because maybe I would wear it. See, these are one of these things that you just like hold on to, but you just never wear it. So this dress, I love this dress. I actually wore it, like, wore this on top of like a bodycon, and I love it because I wore it to Switzerland, and I'll never forget that trip was so fun. And I kind of want to keep it because of that, even though this probably looks ridiculous on me right now. I wonder if this is still good. God, I wear this so much. This shirt here, it kind of looks more like a pajama. Is this a pajama or is this a shirt? Cute. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, I don't think I'm ever gonna wear these again. You see these little stones everywhere? I don't even know if this is in. It's probably not even in. This says French Connection. Oh my god, this is like French Connection from like the 1930s. Oh my god. This I've had for a really long time too. But I really like the way it fits. And this is just like a go-to shirt for me. I like black and I like beige and I like white. I bought this at sale at Nordstrom Rack because it's Diane von Furstenberg and I don't own anything from her and I never wear it. But I think I should keep it because I don't own anything Diane von Furstenberg. And you know what? Maybe I will wear it. I love this shirt. I wear this so much. It's so cool. Okay, I used to wear this when I was pregnant, like all the time. But this is like a pregnant shirt to me. Because every time I see it now, I think of being pregnant. So, I think I'm going to put it in my pregnancy storage box so I can keep it for next pregnancy because this really did work out for me. This shirt I never wear, so I'm going to get rid of it. It's cute, I just don't wear it. That's where this shirt went. It fell. I like this shirt a lot. You wear this like with orange little shorts or something like that. It's really cute for summer. This shirt, I never wear it, but for filming it looks kind of cool because you like see it from here up, so it kind of looks like a bedazzled piece. So I'm only going to use this for filming, but I've never wear this. This is a pajama. This I bought, and I don't know if I'm ever going to wear this. I don't even know why I bought it. Why did I buy this? Oh god, Christina. I guess I'll keep it because I bought it for some reason. My husband got me this from WEF, which is the Winter Equestrian Games. I'm going to keep this in my casual section. It can go in my casual section. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye to this one. I've had this for years and years and years, and I don't remember where it got it. Should I keep it? Okay, it's time to say goodbye to this. I wear this a lot for Christmas card photos, but it looks horrible on me. You know what, maybe I'll keep this for when I'm pregnant. I'm going to put it in my pregnant section because honestly, I could probably wear this when I'm pregnant if I get pregnant again. This is a casual shirt that I just finished getting, but I'm going to move it to the casual section. It says, I enjoy long romantic walks down the wine aisle, but I hardly ever drink. Time for me to part ways with this shirt. I've had this for so long. It's such a cool shirt, but honestly guys, it just doesn't fit me anymore. Like, this is another pregnancy shirt. I'm gonna throw this into the pregnancy section. I have a box up here that I'm throwing it into. Not just decorating the closet. Such a cute shirt. Look at all the animal print on it. Isn't that cute? I love this shirt. I got this at Anthropology. My husband used to get his hair cut in South Beach, and we used to go to South Beach every other weekend or every 3 weekends, and I would just walk on Lincoln Road and I would shop, and that was like what I would always do. So I would always go to Anthropology. I don't even know if they still have it open, but that's where I used to go all the time. Okay, I think it's time to part ways with this shirt here. I'm not going to wear it again. It's a cute shirt, but Okay, this shirt's really fun for photos and stuff, but I'm not going to wear it anymore, so I'm going to part ways with it. I wore this shirt when I was pregnant, like all the time, but it's not like a pregnancy shirt, but I like it, so I'm going to keep it. So I'll probably never wear this shirt, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this one. So I just finished getting this one not that long ago from Dillard's, and it's so cute, but I haven't worn it because it hasn't really gotten that cold this year. I think I'm going to keep this one. This is really cute. It had like these little sleeves, even though I probably wouldn't wear those that often, but this one actually looks really cute. Did this shirt have a hole in it or something? I think I'm going to part ways with this shirt. I've had it for so many years that it's just enough is enough. You know what I mean? This I've had since high school, and I think it's time to say goodbye. This is another shirt that I got in that time that like big shirts were in, and I think I'm over it. This is a large. I'm gonna get rid of this. I love this from BCBG. So cute. This is recent from Target. So I remember buying this. This is like a guayabera, and it's like a guayabera shirt. It's like a tube top, and I bought this for like a party that was for, I forgot what it was for, but it was like an anniversary party or something like that, and everybody had to go in guayaberas, and I went in this, but I don't think this is gonna fit me. It's an extra small. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. Probably keeping it for more nostalgic reasons than anything else. My staple work shirt. Like if you have to go to an office, you just wear this with black pants, and that's it. Staple work shirt. I love all these BCBG shirts. This one, and I also have this one. I love these. These are like the most comfortable things you can wear with shorts, and I love them. So I'm keeping both of these. I'm also trying to color coordinate while I'm doing this. This I've had for so long, but it's so cute. I wore this for Thanksgiving like a million years ago, but it's still so cute. Tell me below, do I dump this shirt? Because I just think it's cute. I don't know. Look how adorable this shirt is. I forgot I had it. So cute. Okay, everybody needs just like a button down shirt. This one has little pearls on it. Look how cute. It has little pearls on the neck. Isn't that pretty? I don't even know where I got this, but it's so cute. This I'm going to say goodbye to. My mom actually gave me this. It was hers, but I'm not going to wear it, right? Okay, this was another pregnancy shirt. As you guys can tell, whatever was like ginormous, I got for pregnancy, so this I'm not going to wear unless I'm pregnant. I'm never going to wear this. Never. It's so cute. It has all this lace on the side. I think it's such a cute shirt. It's actually inside out, but I love the shirt. Why are there so many casual shirts back here? Do I have a bunch of casual stuff here? Oh, I do. Okay, so we're starting my casual shirts. That's cool. So this is another casual shirt. This was another casual shirt. Another one. Another one. This is equestrian shirts. Isn't this adorable? I just finished getting this for Christmas and I love it. I think it's so cute. Kind of reminds me of like a really cool lumberjack. And look at this one. Isn't this the cutest sweater ever? I just got this too. I love it. I actually want to wear it with shorts, but I don't know if that defeats the purpose of having a sweater on. I think it's like after you have a kid and you get pregnant, you don't want to wear anything after that that makes you look big, because like you're so tired of being big. Cute little pearls on the sleeves. So this is like my perfect office meeting shirt. You just go like this, and this has this cute little flowy thing. You just throw it like that. Tuck it in. It's so pretty. I think I'm finally gonna part ways with this as well. It's just too flowy. I can't believe I even still have this. This is so old. These two are just like really comfy, like just like everyday type of work kind of shirts that I really enjoy. Doesn't that look like it needs to be ironed? I hate shirts that you have to iron, by the way. Oh my god, I bought this to go to New York, and I didn't realize the whole back was open, and it was so annoying because you have to try to figure out a bra to wear with it. Even though it's a really cute bodysuit, I'm probably going to keep it, but I think I have better bras now that fit me better. But yeah, I think I'm going to finally get rid of this one too. It's another one of those big shirts. It's like a pregnancy shirt. Lexi is now awake from her nap. Actually, it was perfect timing because Lexi just woke up right now from her nap, and I just finishing my whole top section, which was all my shirts and stuff. So yeah, if you guys really like this type of video, don't forget to give me your thumbs up and leave me your comments below, and let me know if you guys want me to continue and start working on my pants with you guys, and shorts and skirts and dresses, and I've got a lot to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this kind of like helps you guys want to start decluttering, because I love watching these videos to start decluttering. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.